Howdy folks, Jeff here. I just want to show you what's going on in the shop today. This is what's involved in replacing a turn signal bulb. And this happens to be a 2015 Chevy Silverado pickup. And of course you can see we've had to remove the upper cover up here. We've had to remove the valance and then pull the grill out. All of that's all bolted in before we could unbolt the headlight to pull this out to be able to access where these bulbs are right here. Sometimes it says you can pull out the air filter and reach back there, and you might can get the headlight bulb that way, but this other bulb sits on the other side of this frame right here, and there's no way to get your hand in there. This is the only way to do it. So when you go to the shop and they tell you how much it is to replace a $5 or $10 bulb, you'll understand what all work is necessary to do that. I just want to show you what's going on in the shop today and what's involved in some of the repairs that we do. As always, I appreciate you watching.